السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. O my Muslim brothers and sisters, in order to make us bearers of spiritual, moral and character goodness, Allah Rabbul Alamin has made fasting obligatory upon us. The month of Ramadan begins. In this month, Almighty Allah Rabbul Alamin has revealed the Holy Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان. Ramadan is the month in which was sent down the Quran, a kind for mankind, a clear science for guidance and wisdom, and judgment between right and wrong. Quran al-Karim is the complete constitution for mankind. The Holy Quran, the holy book of Islam, holds a central position in the lives of Muslims and serves as a source of guidance, wisdom, and spiritual enlightenment. It offers solutions to the challenges faced by individuals in their daily life. Learning Holy Quran and teaching Holy Quran considers crucial importance for all Muslims. The Holy Quran contains direction and guideline for both readers and believers. Everybody is welcome to learn the Holy Quran as much as time as they can. Hazrat Muhammad said, "The best among you Muslims who learn the Holy Quran and teach it." The Holy Quran provides a moral and ethical framework towards the righteous behavior. Its verses include the principles of justice, honesty, compassion, forgiveness, and humility, which aim is to straighten one's behavior. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا. Surely this Quran guides to what is the most upright and good, and give good news to the believers who do good, that they will have a mighty reward. Dear Muslim brothers and sisters, why is the discussion of the Holy Quran in Ramadan? The Holy Quran was revealed in the month of Ramadan, and for which the month of Ramadan has become so prestigious. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون. If I had revealed this Holy Quran on a mountain, you would have seen that the mountain will humble and torn apart in the fear of Allah. I describe these parables to the people so that they may think. This Holy Quran was revealed in the holy night of Ramadan, which called Laylatul Qadr, which is better than 1,000 months. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر. We have indeed read Holy Quran on the night of power. And what will explain you thee what is the night of power is? The night of power is better than 1,000 months. Hujjah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, reciting one letter of the Holy Quran give 10 good deeds, and in the month of Ramadan it increases 70 times. That means 700 good deeds can be achieved in one letter of the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran will intercede for its reciter on the dire situation of Qiyamah. Hujr sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, recite Holy Quran, because on the day of judgment, this Holy Quran will intercede for its reciter. The person who engages in reciting or teaching the Holy Quran is considered to acquiring good wealth. Recitation of the Holy Quran is so beneficial that it increases the faith of the servant and helps him to attain the nearness to Allah. Narrated by Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, in group of you people assemble in one of the houses of Allah, recite the book of Allah, learning and teaching it, tranquility will descend upon them, mercy will engulf them, angels will surround them, Allah Rabbul Alameen will make mention of them in His proximity. So, my Muslim brothers and sisters, let us place in the night in the revelation of the Holy Quran that we all learn the Holy Quran correctly, understand its meaning, and act accordingly. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.